coming back today. I would like to talk about the continuation from where we left off. So today we would like to cover the same meaning as and in Korean. It means 그리고, 뭐뭐와 뭐뭐과, 뭐뭐고. So if it is a finished sentence with and, then we use 그리고. However, if we use with and, then 뭐뭐와 뭐뭐과 will be used as a meaning of and. So 뭐뭐와, it will be when the noun finished without 받침. I assume that you know 받침. Then we will use 뭐뭐와. However, when there's no 받침 in the noun before coming and, then 뭐뭐과 will be used. And if we want to make a continuing sentence using and, then we will pronounce as 뭐뭐하고 or 뭐뭐고. So, as an example, for example, in a full sentence, 밑그림을 그렸다. 그리고 물감으로 색칠했다. In this sentence, we use the first scenario where full sentence was used and then and was added. Therefore, there's two verb presenting that we could see clearly as 그렸다, painted, and or drew and painted. 그렸다 means drew and 색칠했다 means painted. The present form is 그리다 with the 그렸다, and 색칠하다 is the present form for 색칠하다, 했다. The next sentence is 밥을 먹고 학교에 갔다. It means that 밥을 먹다, eating a rice or eating meal, and went to school. In this sentence, the verb is connected with and. So, 밥을 먹다 and 학교에 갔다. It means that after eating rice or meal, I went to school. However, because the 먹다 is connected with and, it'll be a little bit difficult to find out what actual the verb is for. The next sentence is 내 동생과 나는 닮았다. It means that two nouns are connected. 내 동생 and 나 are both noun. So, because 동생 has a 받침 in it, we are using 과 as an and form. 닮았다 means resembles or look like. 사과와 포도는 과일이다. Here also has noun plus noun connected with and, but I added because 사과 doesn't have 받침 and 포도 also doesn't have 받침. So what I here want to emphasize is that because there's no 받침, when we connect with and, we use the 와 here. Okay, so 사과와 포도는 과일이다. It means that apple and grape are fruits. There are vocabularies that I mentioned in the example just before. 밑그림, 물감, 닮다, 닮았다. 닮다 is a present form and 닮았다 is a past form of 닮다. 사과, 포도, 과일. 밑그림 means sketch or drawing. 물감 means paint, any kind of paint. For example, if you want to use water paint, we use 수채화 물감. If you want to say that as oil paint, then we use 유화 물감. Okay? 닮다, 닮았다 means look like and resemble. I explained just before. 사과 means apple. 포도 means grape. And finally, the 과일 means fruit. So because I assume that you guys can read Hangul, so I didn't put any phonics, as I mentioned before. And that'll be all for today. Thank you for listening and have a great day.